Hi guys, the lightning, sorry but the hurricane has hit Ireland. And what hurricane is it?
Ophelia.
No, oh yeah. Ophelia hit us. And we had no school today, and we have no school tomorrow. So yay! So yeah. Ooh, anyway. So, yeah. Bye guys. I just wanted to tell you about the hurricane. It's really windy. Mom, I'm going out the back. I'm gonna go out the back garden so you guys can see. Oh, I just locked myself. So, it is really windy out. You probably can't hear, but it's really windy. Oh, I nearly dropped the phone. Like this bowl was empty a few days ago, and look at it now. It's full from the rain. Oh, whoa. Ooh, I just poured the bowl out. So, I thought there would be a flood today. I thought it would be really bad. Because a school in Galway, I think it was, a school roof flew off it. And yeah, tomorrow they're going to be checking all the roofs. And you can see that up there. That's not my house. That's another person's house. And I'm not naked today. Wearing my pajamas. Ooh, it's freezing. So yeah. Oh my god, even this fell down. Look, this plant I have fell down. Whoa! Whoa, it's really windy. My hair is going everywhere. Okay, and drop. Okay, I'm gonna go inside because the trees should fall down soon, I think. So, going back inside. So, bye guys!